जब आप हिंदी या पंजाबी में कोई लाइन बोल रहे हो जिसमें आप करता हूँ लगा रहे हो, जैसे मैं भूल जाता हूँ, मैं वहाँ पे जाता हूँ, मैं उससे बात करता हूँ, मैं खेलता हूँ, मैं सोता हूँ, मैं जागता हूँ, जब आप करते के बाद है लगा देते हो या फिर आपका करदा हाँ ये आ गया, तो उसमें आप फर्स्ट वर्ड लगा दो चुपचाप, ये प्रेजेंट का इंडेफिनिट है। लेकिन जब आपने कितना कर दिया, किया कर दिया, भूल गया, तो जब आपने ये कर दिया तो आप चुपचाप सेकंड वर्ब लगा दो, ये पास्ट का इंडेफिनिट।
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਵਾਰ ਪਾਉਗੀ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਰ ਵਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਫਸਟ ਵਾਰ ਪਾਉਗੀ, ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਕੁਛ ਹੈ।
जब जो काम हो चुका है, खत्म हो गया आपका,
ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਮ
जो आप रेगुलर करते हो वो फर्स्ट वर्ब है।
ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, ਜੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ वो
सेकंड वर्ब आएगी,
है ना।
वो किस कंटेंट में आप कह रहे हो मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ, लेकिन कोई चीज़ अगर आपका डेली रूटीन है, ठीक है, आपका लाइक है, आपका डिसलाइक है, तो इसमें फर्स्ट वर्ब आएगी, ये कंफर्म है
जी, श्योरली
ये कंफर्म है। लेकिन इसमें क्या होता है, जो लाइनें डन हो चुकी हैं, डिड हो चुकी हैं, ख़त्म हो चुकी हैं, और जिसमें आपको लाइन जो है अधूरी है, जैसे मैं भूल गया, आपने कहा मैं भूल गया, तो जो लाइन अधूरी है वो सेकंड वर्ब, इसकी मेन पहचान ही है अधूरी लाइन। चलो अब स्पीकिंग करते हैं।
आई वॉन्ट टू ऑल्सो बाट,
आई वॉन्ट टू वाला रूल लगा है ना, तो टू के बाद तो फर्स्ट वर्ब आएगी ना।
आई वॉन्ट टू बाई a new shirt for me because there is one pant is left that I didn't wear for the shirt.
For because of the shirt.
Because I think it may be a full suit.
Okay. So on this Raksha Bandhan, have it.
In this week I will buy.
Yeah, then wear it, that suit, wear on that day. Rest is your choice.
But
Okay.
I didn't think about it because in today's time there is no picture of mine.
Okay. So you both
And I
brother.
didn't. Yeah. Then I don't celebrate Raksha because of my.
See, Raksha Bandhan, what does it mean? What does it mean?
I think it is only for Shivaji.
This is a formality.
Yes.
But see, Raksha Bandhan.
From whose? From
I'm
our
telling you.
peoples.
No, not people's people. Raksha means protection.
Yes.
Bandhan means bound. Means someone who is giving you protection unconditionally. Right? The one who gives you, you bound that person. You apply Rakhi on that person. It is made by Indian culture that especially a female will tie to a male a Rakhi. But this is not any, means you can say this is not true. This is made by people. The one who protects you. You can have a thread and can tie to that person. It's that way simple. So now you consider who is that. If you consider any god is there, god Ganesha, god Krishna, god Rama, if you consider that comes for your sport always, then have a one and go to temple and tie to that god. You are to complete that ceremony, to have that essential lady. You especially should have a sister, then that sister will do that. You be the sister of someone else. It's not about gender,
It's about soul.
it's about thinking. If you think someone protects you, you tie that person. If someone thinks you are protecting,
I tie
like
to-
your brother,
I tie to
so your
my
brother
mother.
will, your mother. Yeah, so do so. It's just a bounding in between the relationships. So to any god, to any animal, depends with whom you have connection. Okay, should we go for this speaking? Reading books. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like it. Yes, I remember the topic. That's
Okay.
yesterday day before yesterday, I spoke an introduction in my class, and
I gave
I gave
introduction.
introduction of myself
Hmm.
at the stage of our class, like in this.
Yeah,
in
first day is that
No.
fresher.
Second day.
Okay, I was not mentioning about first or second day. Means when the class starts.
Ma'am, my madam, ma'am says like only stand up in bench
Hmm.
and say that
Hmm.
introduction, but not I want to go there. When my
I wanted to go.
when
मैं
ma'am
वहाँ
is
पे
stand-
जाना चाहता था जहाँ पे
when-
टीचर खड़े थे.
Yes. जिधर खड़े होते बोल दे खड़े होते.
Okay, where teacher stands.
Stand and give the lecture.
Gives the lecture.
Then I went
Went there.
to the stage and I spoke.
Hmm.
I gave question. I gave better
I gave.
than all the class.
In English.
Yes.
Okay. And
My hands are legs are
were shivering.
were wobbling.
Okay. Yeah, there was sweat.
Sweat on my head.
Hmm.
First, because it is my first day to speak.
It was.
It was my first day to speak anything in front of many people.
Many people or in front of my classmate.
Class,
How many students were there?
but I didn't know anyone. At
Okay.
second day, that's
Okay.
why this is that all are people.
That all were
All are people.
unknown people to me.
Unknown.
Students to me. Okay. And what about others?
I said to you that I spoke more better
No,
than
when
this.
no. So did you know from where a particular person belong? And what about their background, their education, their qualification?
Hobbies like
So that you came to know. Okay. What? Yes. What sorts of books do you like to read?
I like to read non-fiction books because it helps to me to improve and
Favorite books?
childhood. When I'm child, when I was childhood, I didn't read any book.
Comic books, poetry books, magazines. Okay. What are the benefits of reading books?
Instead of scrolling the YouTube shorts and Instagram reels, we have to read books. It helps us to maintain our neurosystems that in our mind.
Do you like to give books as a gift?
No, I only like to have gift books like to have the gift in books.
Okay, I want books as a gift.
But I didn't give anyone.
How many books have you read?
I have read 2 books and in my backlog there is 3 books. I have to
There are.
I have to read, and I recently bought a new book.
Why don't you read over that window? Yaku? Why don't you read over there after downloading it?
Because
You can directly have book from Amazon,
ebook.
Or if you don't want to buy, so every book has PDF format. You can directly download from your internet and you can have in your. So what's the cost of that book to you?
160.
160. So if you directly download it, ebook, then you can if you start reading 3 to 4 pages, if you get interest, then you can take that book in pen drive and you can go for Xerox of that book pages.
It also for 100 rupees because books are very.
So it depends which book attracts you. Why are you buying 5 books when one can attract you?
All 5s are very good to us.
Because
every one book has different perspective of life.
perspective of life. Okay. Start. Perspective.
Some words are there, then I didn't pronounce properly.
What you have to do, if a word is there which creates hesitation to you, break that word.
Prospective.
Take that word's syllable out. Prospective. So